Here to show you the simple stretchy bind off. To do this, you start with 2 knit stitches. 1, 2. Now we're going to knit these 2 stitches together through the back loop. To do this, you can either move both of them back to your left needle, then put your needle through the back loop of both stitches and knit them together. There's 1 stitch bound off. The next step is to do 1 more stitch, and we're going to do that through the back loop 2 together again. I'm going to show you how to do this without moving it over to the other needle. You put your left needle through both stitches towards the front, wrap as usual, and knit them both together. One more time, knit 1 stitch, put the left needle through both stitches on the right needle towards the front, wrap, and knit them both together. This will give you a nice stretchy bind off.